Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to level up fast in Fortnite Chapter 2 on a PC. Let's get started. The fastest way to level up in Chapter 2 is by completing daily, weekly and punch card challenges. Daily challenges reset every 24 hours and gives quick XP. Weekly challenges gives use SP boosts often a full level or more. Punch card rewards XP for simple actions like fishing, driving and opening chests. Before you start a match, look at your quest list so you know exactly what to focus on. To level up faster, land in places where you can finish challenges quickly. For example, if you need to open chest, land at the named location. If you need eliminations, land at the bushier areas. If you need to survive, pick a quiet spot on the edge of the map. Play duos, squad or team rumble helps you level up faster because you can complete challenge safely with teammates. You get survival XP when your teammates stay alive. Team rumble lets you respawn and farm eliminations for easy XP. In Chapter 2, almost everything gives XP: opening chests and ammo boxes, fishing, riding boats, discovering new map areas, revive teammates. Doing all these small actions add up quickly, and that's all. Complete your quest, land smart, use team modes and do lots of small XP actions. Follow these simple tips and you will level up faster in Fortnite Chapter 2 on PC. That's all for today's video guys. I hope you guys like this video. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.